Hello and welcome to this video on how to add an experience on Airbnb. So if you're new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So for you to add an experience on Airbnb, you will need to create a unique profile, describe your experience, set your prices and pass a background check. Once approved, you can start accepting bookings and managing your experience through the Airbnb platform. Before all that, Airbnb has to approve your experience based on three main pillars. They are expertise, insider access, and connection. You have to score well on all three to get approved, and once you have been approved, you will just be able to add an experience on Airbnb easily. So this is how you can add an experience on Airbnb. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.